Welcome back, scale modelers, to SMKR. This is Steve. Up next is the Mushroom Models Publications Orange Series PLZ.23 Karas. This is part of the Polish aviation series of books, book number 8119. This is the second and revised updated edition, which was first published back in 2014. This aircraft possesses perhaps the most distinctive silhouette of any World War II era warplane. And during Nazi Germany's September 1939 invasion, it suffered staggering 86% losses, highest of any Polish combat aircraft. Poland's light attack bomber at the time of the German invasion in 1939, the P.23 Karas, was flung into action against the German ground forces and the Luftwaffe. Despite this, there was enormous bravery and overwhelming odds, resulting in catastrophic losses. This book was written by Tomasz Kopański with wonderful color plates by Karolina Holda. Scale plans, photos, and drawings from technical manuals, superb color illustrations of camouflage and markings, rare black and white archival photographs, 1/72 scale plans of all versions. This book is lavishly illustrated. All operational and prototype derivatives, the PLZ-23 Karas, the P-23A, PLZ-23 Karas II, P-23B, PLZ-42, the PLZ-43, and the PLZ-43A, in downright awesome details. Originally designated Army Cooperation Illinois or Line machines, Karas also served as attack and dive bombers in at least a dozen Polish units during the September campaign, roles for which it was not intended. Survivors escaped to Romania, where they eventually fought in World War II's Eastern Front. 50 of the related PLZ-43s, Chaika, entered Bulgarian service, and captured examples even saw Soviet and German use. MMP's magnificent monograph perfectly fact-checks Mirage's 1/48 scale kits, IBG's new 1/72 releases, and even Heller's ancient efforts. Superb color palettes, digital art, reference shots, service commentary, and 1/72 drawings further the study. MMP's also adds authoritative notes in Polish, Romanian, Bulgarian camouflage, complete with FS matches. Karolina Holda's outstanding color profiles and plan views in particular deserve special recognition. She faithfully captured every visible camouflage and marking nuances, and her work remains some of the finest, most accurate I've ever seen. You can even reference Holda's remarkable art to paint and weather your PLZ-23 project. 142 pages adorn this book. I recommend you get this outstanding book, then use it to model your Karas masterpiece. I would like to thank MMP Books for this outstanding review copy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Happy modeling, everybody. Now go build something.